Okay. Oh, you underline the correct preposition, to complete the sentence, Isela.
Okay.
The cat is in, on, at the box.
Yes.
What's the answer? In, on, at the box. What will you write? What will you underline? So, in, on, or at? Oh, what's that? In. Underline in.
Which one?
This one. In. And in.
I'll underline it.
Underline in.
This one?
Yes.
This is in. Let's just go done.
Okay. The pen is in, on, look, on, at the table.
Yes.
What's the answer? The pen is
On.
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 Underline.
Here.
Dito na tayo. Sa number 2 na tayo.
Here. Then I like this.
Yes.
Is this on?
Underline. Yes, that's on. Oh, on. You read.
I fell.
Sit down.
I fell off and then
So, the rubber duck toy is in, on, at the top.
Is it on the top? On the top. Why is on the top?
Top ba ang ano?
Can I underline top?
Anong top? What's your answer? In, on, at?
At?
The underline. Yes. Ito, this one. The glass is in, on, at the rock.
Is it not?
In, on, at. Where's the glass?
Here.
What's that? Where's that?
What's this?
That's the rock. Yung cabinet. Nasaan yung ano?
It's on the top.
Okay. What's your answer?
Is it at?
No, on. It's on the top. Waitan mo. I-underline properly.
I'll do it.
Properly.
I have to do it again to the lesson. I'm not being close.
This one. The children are playing in, on, at the park. That's the place. What's your answer?
On.
No. Pagka may mga children or animals in the specific place, you answer at.
I don't need. I said I don't need.
What's your answer? What's your answer?
I'm putting a dot there. I'm putting a dot.
The couch is in, on, at the living room. This is the place, the living room. Where is the couch? In, on, at. What's your answer?
I just said this. I will just do my eraser.
You underline.
Which one?
Underline na.
Which one?
What's your answer? The couch is in, on, at the living room. Is it in the living room? Inside ba? No. On? Nasa top ba siya? No. At the living room?
At? This one?
Okay.
I'm